Following robust gains on Wall Street overnight as U.S. markets continue their post-election flourish, Korean stocks also closed higher on Wednesday afternoon. Our Soo-young breaks down the numbers for us.
Korea's benchmark KOSPI closed at 1,987.95 on Wednesday, up 0.23%. Foreigners have remained net buyers for 5 consecutive days of trading. But the tech-heavy KOSDAQ slid over 1.7% to close above 600. This comes after U.S. markets set another round of fresh records on Tuesday, as investor sentiment has been buoyed by President-elect Donald Trump's promises of tax cuts, expanded spending on infrastructure, and less regulation. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed above the 19,000 mark for the first time ever, and the S&P 500 breached 2,200 for the first time. With the Nasdaq completing the set, all 3 major U.S. indexes reached record closing highs for the second straight day.
I think the market is feeling optimistic that there will be an injection of stimulus spending for infrastructure, for aerospace defense, also with interest rates likely to rise at the December FOMC meeting. It reinforces the adage that there are no viable alternative to equities right now. And so it sounds like we're just gearing up for a nice end-of-year rally.
Analysts say U.S. stocks have mostly regained their composure after the initial Trump election shock, reducing uncertainties for the Korean market as well.
With U.S. yield rates and the dollar having stabilized in recent days, without any abrupt increases, foreign investors have been buying up Korean stocks for 4 to 5 days straight, and the trend looks likely to persist, with the U.S. economy expected to pick up.
The expert added that investor sentiment could also get a boost based on expectations that major oil-producing nations will agree to cap their output when they meet in Vienna next week. In the long run, however, investors will be keeping a close eye on the upcoming U.S. Federal Reserve meeting, with the expectation it will set the tone for future rate hikes, as well as the latest growth and inflation projections. He said the political uncertainties in Europe, with the upcoming referendum in Italy and the protracted fallout of Britain's decision to leave the EU, are also factors to watch out for. Soo-young, Arirang News.